If you're facing verification issues with your Apple ID after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause verification problems. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data if necessary. Step 2. Update your device. Make sure your device is running the latest version of iOS, iPadOS, or macOS. Go to Settings, General Software Update to check for and install any available updates. Step 3. Reset your password. Visit the Apple ID account page and select Forgot Apple ID or Password. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Step 4. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the Asher.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Contact Apple Support. If you are still unable to resolve the verification issues, contact Apple Support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and regain access to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification issues with your Apple ID. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from Apple Support.